Welcome back to Politricks Watch. This is therapy. Now, today I'm going to be talking about the whole, well, best way I can describe it is circus, right, surrounding the report that come out from the Integrity Commission where I say Prime Minister Umbre, right, conflict of interest. You see, when I first mentioned this, right, I was talking about conflict of interest regarding a whole different matter. Now, not only is it not the same matter, but now it completely spiraled, right? I don't even know what is joke and what is serious anymore. I'm going to talk about it. Before we go any further, two things. I want to send a special HN radio shout out to Dexton, right? Dexton, right? As you can see, or you're going to see on the screen, you're the first person to get the new, right, change at the birthday cake. You know, normally have one like a small cupcake. Now upgrade the thing, right? HN squad, HN members them, right? Them deserve what it more than a little cupcake. So now, see I boost the cake here. Dexton, by now, you know my philosophy already, right? They're going to tell you the same thing over and over. Health, family and everything there come first. Also, we should do wealth and prosperity too. But remember, without the health and the right people around you, none of that no matter. So make sure say all that in place first, right? Wealth is good, right? Don't let anybody tell you nothing. It's great to be financially secure, money and everything there, care and everything there. That's all good and well, right? But life, health are the greatest. So next time, big up yourself, big up the whole Patreon squad, right? Next thing we want to talk about, the video I dropped yesterday about the little girl, little 9-year-old. In the video me telling you say, right, YouTube not like, right, when 10 years certain word because them suppress the video. Certain spooky things go on, as you can see. The comment section was turned off. Again, I did not do that, right? YouTube did that. Shut off the comment section and suppress the video, right? So that means say, some people call it shadow banning. So that means say, only people who I think of the bill or something like that actually see. Enough people asking me to drop a video. YouTube don't push out the video, them don't try and make the video reach as much people as possible. They suppress it, they not like that word. You see, I find it interesting how these woke platforms work. You see, when the drill rapper them, my favorite artist then, right, talk about actual dead people and call the names of actual dead man, and the foreign man them make fun of each other and King Van and who dead and who has smoked and who for pack and all, and the YouTube push that. You woke push that. Right, them want to reach as much people as possible. People like Julio Folio and them jail rapper them can stand up in the cemetery of them enemy, holding up pictures, mocking and shooting videos of them actual enemies in them actual cemetery. You won't not only allow that to happen, but they won't flag it down, they won't shut out the comments, they won't suppress the video, right? But if you're talking about a 9-year-old, right, who suffered an horrific act, right, them tell us, oh no, that's too far, we have to suppress this, we have to shut off comments, we have to shut off this, and but they will see actual gang members, actual criminals, record songs mocking their actual dead enemies, right? And them say, yeah man, go on the road. But if my little girl and father love beef, I'ma come out and make a song, right, dissing him and his 9-year-old and say, yeah, I'm smoking on your daughter's pot right now. See me and then kill her and dash her away. Them just say, yeah man, that good man, that good. It's just words. Anyway, as I said that because people were asking me and all kind of people ask me, so the comment section and when I walk go on, we can't find the video. You walk, think that, and I'm here. So I don't even know if the comment section ever free up on that one, but we'll see. Now, when I talk about Prime Minister Umbre, we say the report come out the conflict of interest, and it piqued my interest. But I realize say, a unicorn does, they might try to give me if it's not. You see, there's a saying, if it's too good to be true, it usually is. Me the thing say, the conflict of interest matter was regarding SSL. I was thinking, that was quick. Iron Man make real progress. SSL thing just go on. And already was to report job conflict of interest because remember, right, Umbre was an investor in SSL and he just pull out with the SSL. Right. Who knows why? No come out, come say why. Right. And just pull out before the ship sink. I say, hold on. Then we got a report conflict of interest. I said, then where them dig up now, where them catch? So I was thinking to myself, no, things are move fast. Right? Already, we have a report come out. When time I start go through things, that's all I'm not nothing about SSL. Turns out it's not about SSL. Right? They must show some things where them say happened back then and contracts, and if it's too good to be true, it usually is. But even then, it's alright. Right? I'm not familiar with the case that I bring up, but let me at least walk one and read through. Only if you then see, Gleaner put out say, oh, now a reporter, right, working with public servant to embarrass Prime Minister. So now the report start look like, some kind of setup and a planting, and then people say no, a real thing, and then now it's a circus, and now it's a confusion. And what's the problem with the confusion? You don't know what is what. Them kind of report then if you have no confusion. You have to be straightforward. See the documents, see the facts, see the researcher, see the information, give to the public. Now we have a complete circus by my hand. So now people that say, well, this just shows that the entire report don't make no sense because see, Gleaner love work with this and somebody not Gleaner love work with. That work with. Can we not take anything serious? Matter of fact, let me take that back. Because when we say that, it make it sound like, people just this is not a joke, this is done on purpose. This confusion and the chaos is on purpose. That way people don't know what is what. People don't know if the truth is mixed in some way with the lie. People don't know if it's all lies, people don't know if it's all truth. Confusion to the masses. Twist and turn to come like a hill and gully ride. If we're going to make real progress, we need to be able to hold political leaders accountable. We need to be able to say, alright, this happened then and this happened then. And then after we find out things, then action can take place. But telling already said, enough of these organizations where them say, right, it's supposed to watch the government and make sure there's certain things in place. Them not on the teeth. Because them need to can do them research, get them findings, and then do something. But then in look at them can't do nothing. But then we really same thing happen afterwards. Even them come out and say this spooky, this not right, this was conflict of interest, that a corruption, nothing happened. So we just have to report for the sake of doing report. I don't know what I say. But they tell me I'm gonna do a follow up on it. But when I said that, I was thinking about SSL. I was getting ready to break down the SSL conflict of interest. It turns out it's not about SSL. Right? Some things happen much way back. So now I wonder if 10 years from now we're going to hear about SSL and this conflict of interest. Let's say it turn out say Umbre had some kind of conflict of interest with SSL and the big wigs on the SSL. 10 years from now we're going to hear that. Like how a years on the line we hear about we are for the better. But them realize that the people of Jamaica don't actually want to hold political leaders accountable. Let's be honest. People just like a party and whatever that party do or whatever them politicians do from that party, just work with it. So all the reports that come out, nothing change. I've been keeping my ears out, nothing change. Even before the whole debacle surrounding Gleaner come out, that people are like, so at this point I have to just watch from a distance. Just like with Ironman artists, at the same thing come on to Ironman politicians. I realize you can't really get in between the people and them. All they can do is say, yo, this never go on right and this never go on, and them say, not them head and then the business. That's the basic with something. I don't think the people them really business. Right? You can't tell them nothing about them favorite artists, nothing about them favorite politicians. Right? And I've learned this over time, but we still look how we can look and dig how we can dig. Right? Because accepting as things go is how nothing change. If I even a small little change. So we have to just sit back and watch and see what they want to play out. Anyway, each and squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know, more life. Ultra squad, stay circling. Bless.